India Today has also accessed images of the 12 vandals involved in the violence that broke out on Republic Day in the national capital. In the pictures that you see on your screens there, these 12 men can be seen holding sticks and other makeshift weapons. The cops have used video analytic techniques to identify these dozen men after scoring through multiple videos of the Republic Day violence. The Delhi police is now trying to identify them using facial recognition system. This comes amid a report that's been submitted by the Home Ministry in Parliament stating that protesters had resorted to rioting, damaged government property and used criminal fare to deter cops from discharging their duties. As far as the politics behind the farmer protest goes, the opposition is, of course, throwing its weight behind the protesting farmers despite the Republic Day violence. The parliament witnessed massive ruckus yesterday after opposition demanded a debate on the farm stay. Expect more of that to happen today.
Pandemonium in Parliament. The farm law showdown that has brought the capital on the edge reached Lok Sabha on Tuesday. As soon as the proceedings of the House began, the opposition members stood up, demanding a debate on the contentious agricultural reforms.
170 के आसपास किसानों की जान गंवाने पर ही आंदोलन तैयार है ना वार्ता करने। लेकिन सर यही तो हम चाहते हैं, सारे जो बिजनेस अब रख रहे हैं इसके पहले शुरुआत तो कीजिए, ये किसान आंदोलन की मुद्दे के ऊपर चर्चा शुरू कीजिए, बाकी सारे प्रेसिडेंट बाद में हो सकता। लेकिन सर किसान की जो मुद्दा है सर, आज किसान के ऊपर जिस ढंग से अत्याचार हो रहे हैं, लगता है कि हम ब्रिटिश जमाने में पहुंच गए हैं। सर ये ब्रिटिश जमाना महसूस हो रहे हैं, ये नारेबाजी और तख्तियां।
As the showdown continued, Agriculture Minister Narendra Tomar attempted to pacify the opposition members.
सदस्य अगर किसानों के बारे में चर्चा करने के लिए तैयार हैं, तो सरकार सदन के भीतर भी और सदन के बाहर भी हमेशा चर्चा के लिए तैयार रही है। माननीय अध्यक्ष महोदय, आपने भी आग्रह किया, अगर आज प्रश्नों पर चर्चा होती तो मैं समझता हूं आधी चर्चा पूरी हो गई होती, लेकिन सदस्यों ने ध्यान नहीं दिया है। ये सदन का समय बर्बाद हो रहा है।
ये सदन वाद विवाद चर्चा के लिए है।
The opposition was unfazed and adamant on its demand for an instant debate on the new laws that were passed by Parliament last year.
Item number 18, Dr. Mahesh Sharma ji.
The uproar prompted Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla to adjourn the House multiple times.
सभा की कार्रवाई को 7 बजे तक के लिए स्थगित की जाती है।
I got your point, please.
The story was no different in Rajya Sabha, where the opposition staged a walkout demanding a debate. Away from Parliament, opposition leaders are flocking to the farmer protest sites on Delhi's borders. Shiv Sena MPs, including Sanjay Raut, were the latest to join the farmers.
26 तारीख के बाद जिस तरह से यहाँ दहशतवाद हो गया, यहाँ जिस तरह से सबको कुचलने की कोशिश की हमारे किसानों को, टिकैत साहब को, तो हमको लगा कि हमारी ये जिम्मेदारी बनती है, हमारा कर्तव्य बनता है महाराष्ट्र के लोगों का कि उनके साथ खड़े रहे, उनको हमारी संवेदना दे और कहे कि पूरा राज्य, पूरी शिवसेना, उद्धव ठाकरे साहब और हम सब उनके साथ हैं।
With politics escalating over the new farm laws, Punjab Chief Minister Amrinder Singh has thrown his weight behind the protesters accused of violence. The Punjab government has arranged a team of 70 lawyers who will fight the cases of farmers booked by Delhi police for Republic Day violence. With farmer stir getting a new lease of life, politics seems only to be escalating. Bureau Report, India Today.
So the farmers' protest against the 3 farm laws has now entered its 70th day, and the BKU chief Rakesh Tikait, who's essentially been leading this agitation, will be visiting Haryana's Jind district to hold a Khap Mahapanchayat in Kandela village and to chalk out measures to intensify the farmer protest that's been raging at Delhi's borders. Farmers from various areas have started arriving ahead of the crucial Mahapanchayat meet. Ticket's visit comes just hours after he had proclaimed that farmers are in no mood to relent and are clearly ready for the long haul. His visit comes at a time when farmer protest sites have been fortified using barricades, using barbed wires, along with roads studded with iron spikes in the run-up to the Chakka Jam announced by farmers on February 6th, and to avoid a rerun of the Republic Day violence which happened during a tractor rally led by these farmers. So the Kisan have called for a Chakka Jam on 6th February, a call that's prompted the Delhi police to turn the 3 border protest points into virtual fortresses. Nails have been embedded into roads. You've got trenches that have been dug, concrete barricades also that have been erected. Here's the latest on the mega border showdown.
Barricades, barbed wires, roads studded with nails, triple layer of concrete roadblocks and hundreds of security personnel. This is the Ghazipur border that has turned into the latest epicenter of the farmer protest after an emotional appeal by BKU leader Rakesh Tikait. The number of farmers joining the protest is only increasing. The police, in a bid to stop any repeat of Republic Day violence, have turned this protest site into a fortress with 6 layers of security. The BSF is in charge of the first layer. They are deployed where cemented barricades are placed. In the second layer, barbed wires, trenches and nails have been used. The third layer has Delhi police along with CRPF and ITBP keeping vigil. The fourth layer comprises of large barricades made of cement and iron. Large trucks and trolleys have been parked as 5th layer of security. The final layer is of a barbed fence. The farmers aren't happy about it.
ये सारी नाकामी है सरकार की। कोई हम टेररिस्ट आतंकवादी हैं क्या? हम तो अन्नदाता हैं, कमाते हैं और औरों को भी खिलाते हैं। हम भी समझ गए। अब सरकार हमारे से डर रही। सरकार अब खुद समझ रही मैं क्या गलत कर रही, क्या सही कर रही। अब सरकार की आंखों में खुद डर है हमारा।
इतनी बुद्धि लोग के मार्गदर्शन रोक कर रखेंगे। किसने बुद्धि दी है? सरकार नहीं है, ये सरकार का काम ही नहीं है।
Barely a kilometer away from where the protest is taking place, barbed wires have been put up at the Ghazipur border. The police is on its heel. The administration is leaving no stone unturned to barricade and fortify the entire area. Barricades have been put up along with the barbed wires. Heavy police deployment. Police personnel are present wearing riot gear. The administration does not want the farmers to move from the site and enter the national capital.
Singhu border isn't any different. Here, iron rods have been placed between 2 rows of cement barriers to restrict the movement of protesters towards the capital.
This is the area where the Kisan Mazdoor Sangharsh Committee stage, that is the smaller stage towards the Delhi side, stands, and this is the 5th line of barricading before the Kisan protest begins. Behind the stage is a 200-meter long no man's land which has been taken over by the security forces, and after that is another line of heavy barricading, including containers and concrete barricading that divides the Sanyukt Kisan Morcha stage, which is on the Haryana side. No media person is being allowed to go any further from this particular line of barricading.
Similar security measures have been undertaken at the Tikri border as well.
किसानों ने दिल्ली में मार्च किया था, जमकर हिंसा हुई थी। उसके बाद दिल्ली पुलिस ने टिकरी बॉर्डर पर देखिए इस तरीके से जो नुकीली चीजें हैं वो यहाँ पर गाड़ दी हैं। पूरा जो ये टिकरी बॉर्डर है, हर तरफ इसी तरीके की जो नुकीली कील है उसको सड़क पर गाड़ दिया है, ताकि अगर कोई ट्रैक्टर मार्च होता है या गाड़ियां लेकर टिकरी बॉर्डर से दिल्ली की तरफ जब किसान जो प्रदर्शन में बैठे हैं वो आगे की तरफ बढ़े तो वो जो गाड़ी है वो पंचर हो जाए।
As fortification increases, farmer leaders have assured they won't move towards Delhi.
हमें दिल्ली जाना ही नहीं, ये तो जनता के रास्ते में कील लगाई इन्होंने कि जनता ना जा सके। जितने जनता के रास्ते बंद होंगे, जनता को सब पता कि कौन बोल नहीं रहे, पता सबको, सब मिलते हैं हमसे।
The authorities, however, aren't taking any chances following the Republic Day mayhem.
हमने क्या किया है? हमने उस बैरिकेड को मजबूत किया है, सिर्फ मजबूत किया है ताकि बारंबार उसको तोड़ा ना जाए।
The six-layer security comes on top of a blanket ban on internet at all 3 farm protest sites in Delhi. Bureau Report, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.